Are you looking for the best laser levels in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best laser levels that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Dewalt DW089K laser level. Sitting on the catbird seat of the power tools industry, Dewalt Tools Company is a brand that's second to none when it comes to innovations that make our lives more comfortable. Likewise, the DW089K stands the test of time with its groundbreaking multi-level line laser feature, which had us convinced at once. Most probably our favorite recommendation in the list. The DW089K defines simplicity and convenience at its best. Despite being one of the most efficient professional tools we've come across in our search, its user-friendliness makes operating this unit child's play. So you ultimately get the best of both worlds under a fair budget, which gives it the upper hand over most of the alternative products in the market. Coming down to its nitty-gritty, the USP of this unit is its multi-line laser feature that turns laying out the sections of studs, cabinets, or chair rails into a cakewalk. In other words, you won't need more than one level with the laser if you're using this one to finish the job. Up next in the 4th place is the Dewalt DW088LG laser level. We weren't exaggerating when we said that Dewalt is the first choice of smart professionals and one of the best laser levels overall. The global brand has bagged 2 consecutive slots on our list with its next-gen DW088LG unit, one of the best green laser levels we could suggest. It's quite impressive how the self-leveling feature of this product enhances user convenience by a great deal. If another product could compete against the iconic DW089K, it has to be its compact successor, the DW088LG. This is strictly for those who are searching for a flexible tool for both professional and personal use. Although it doesn't bring a wide range of features to the table like the DW089K, it still has an advantage over it. How, you may wonder? Well, the secret is, unlike the traditional chrome red light, this unit shoots a green laser that is more visible from a longer distance, say 100 feet. It doesn't feature a triple line laser, but it offers a 2-beam setting that is good enough for large construction projects. The 3rd product on our list is the Topcon RLSV2S laser level. Speaking of rotary laser levels, the all-new Topcon RLSV2S takes the cake with its trailblazing features. We've had the opportunity to test this product personally, and we're quite satisfied with the range of accuracy it provides under a fair budget. Let's have an inside scoop on this model and explore what more it has to offer. As we've mentioned before, this product is best known for its higher range of accuracy. To break it down, this unit offers a range of +/1/16 at 100 feet, whereas the Dewalt DW089K and DW088LG offer +/1/8. Numbers don't lie, and this product surpasses its competitors with ease. Moreover, what's even more impressive is that the RLH4C is a lot less costly than these products. It also offers an out-of-the-box horizontal rotary leveling feature with an impressive self-leveling of +/5 degrees. Furthermore, this product can reach up to 2,600 feet, making it ideal for both large-scale and small-scale projects. In case you're not yet convinced, this laser level also comes with a dual LCD, which makes it even easier for us to comprehend the measurement readings. Second on our list is the Bosch GLL55 laser level. It doesn't matter whether you're a professional or not. You must be living under a rock if you haven't come across the name Bosch tools. If you're someone who values portability over anything, we couldn't have a better recommendation than the Bosch GLL55 laser level. Let's check out what this product brings to the table. To be honest, There's hardly another device as portable as the Bosch GLL55 laser level in the market, as per our research. The compact and ultralight frame of this device makes it extremely simple to carry around all the time. However, despite its size, this product can give fierce competition to the heavy-duty products on our list. Starting with the leveling capabilities, this unit offers an advanced 2-beam cross-line laser feature, similar to the Dewalt DW088 LG unit. Furthermore, this product appears to have a maximum range of 165 when it's used along with a detector. Finally, the top product on our list is the Cific Laser Systems PLS 60588 laser level. Although Pacific Laser Systems may be unfamiliar to many, this new entrant brand has been launching some of the most versatile products in the market. The PLS 60588 laser level is one of the highest rated products you'll find under a meager budget. It's also a very convenient model that every construction professional must try at least once. Speaking of performance, it's a little hard to reach the standards that the PLS 60588 sets with its outstanding 200 feet laser range. Without a doubt, this tool features the highest range that we've encountered by far. Also, this product supports self-leveling and offers a basic rate of accuracy, that is, +/1/4 at 100 feet. Also, similar to the Bosch GLL55, this unit offers a standard visibility range of 50 feet. However, the most convenient feature here is its magnetic wall bracket, which also comes with an exceptional floor stand. With these accessories, this product takes user convenience and ease of use to an entirely new level. We haven't come across any other product so far that offers such accessories for our convenience. On that note, we have to give a thumbs up to PLS. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.